Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink a Monday.
And boy, we think we need one.
Exactly. And today we have ZOA, the Healthy Warrior Energy Drink, Zero Sugar Super Berry. Nice. So there we go. Very nice can designs on these as well, so that's pretty cool. So 160 milligrams of natural caffeine to start off the important factoids. This particular one has 15 calories in it. That's nice. 200 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbohydrate. Not too bad on that. We got 80 milligrams of potassium, 90 milligrams of vitamin C, 0.3 milligrams of riboflavin. We got 16 milligrams of niacin. We got 2.4 micrograms of B12, 10 milligrams of magnesium, and 20 milligrams of what looks to be choline.
Oh wow!
Or choline.
Caffeine's from green coffee.
Exactly.
And tea beans.
Tea beans and green coffee.
Is it tea beans or tea leaves? I think it's tea leaves.
I think it's tea
coffee beans. Yeah, there's a difference.
Yeah, let's swap that up.
A tea bean. That doesn't even sound right.
That doesn't sound right at all.
Give me some of them tea
beans. Yeah.
Give me a tea bean.
Wow.
That doesn't even work.
That sounds fascinating. Alrighty, well I can tell you right now,
tea beans.
it smells amazing.
And what's neat is they taste good cold or room temperature.
Mm-hmm.
I like them. They're not crazy caffeinated, but they do help. I had one yesterday afternoon while packing right before church. It helped me get through my preaching.
Wow.
I think.
Kind of the sour and sweet going on. I think I'm almost getting some coffee notes from it as well there. That's interesting.
Like I said, I just had one of these yesterday.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I like the taste.
It's fascinating because it's sour and sweet all at the same time and very smooth, but you still get the bubbles.
No sugar.
Yep.
You still got some, like you said, you still got some carbonation.
Carbohydrates. But yeah, very smooth.
Yeah, I'm a fan of them. They got a good orange flavor too. We'll get one of those eventually.
I like it. That's good. Nice and smooth, that's for
It's
sure.
similar to a couple other ones, but I can't think of what they are.
Well, this one definitely tastes like it's a little bit closer to the Rowdy blend.
I was going to say.
Yeah, a little bit closer to that, but that's good. I like
It's
that.
not quite that buzz of the palate cleanser, but it's right on that edge.
Exactly, yeah. Well, that's not necessarily one of my favorite flavors, just because of the weird sour thing, but it's still pretty good, I must say.
It's berry, but so I'm wondering if it's like a blueberry, pomegranate, maybe some raspberry that they're pushing.
It's definitely
It
more of
does
the
have a
wild
subtle-
berry almost. Yeah.
It does have a subtle blue color to it as
Yes, so not too bad. I like it. It's pretty good. So I'd probably say for me, I'd say it's SRT 392 for the quality again, but I'd probably go more RT for just personal taste preference, but still pretty good.
well. All the way to the top for me, mainly because I'm just a cheapskate. Because I can go to the Ollie's store and I get 12 of those 16-ounce cans for $10.
Which is an awesome deal for energy drinks of that size.
That size energy drink for under $1.
Yeah, it's really good.
And being that it's, clean of some sort, I don't know if it really is. But
Natural.
I like that the caffeine's from coffee and teas. So
Yep.
I don't know if it's that really good for you or if it's just going to kill me tomorrow. For sure.
But it's definitely tasty, that's for sure.
I assume that they're better than
some. Yep, that's true. So, anyways, guys, if you are looking for a low-calorie, no-sugar energy drink, ZOA definitely seems to be one to try out. So, check it out.
Somehow it's associated with Dwayne The Rock. So, do your research, but it seems like it's a Dwayne The Rock product.
Yep.
So,
who knows how these partnerships
some
come
of the other
together.
cans have his face on it.
Yeah, exactly. So if you're interested in Dwayne, you can check it out. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.